Welcome to the free CPA marketing course. Today I will share with you the full action plan from day one, starting with $0, no website, no audience, reaching day 30 with $200 to $500 revenue. Let's start. I'm really so happy that every week I get new emails from people watching my videos, sharing their success stories and how they build their online businesses and start making money online after watching my videos. I hope you'll be the next one to send me your success story after watching this video. So let's start. Before step one, we have the preparation step. In this step, we are going to learn some concepts in just 1 or 2 minutes to understand what we are going to do. So in case you are a beginner, what is CPA or cost per action marketing? It's simply getting paid when someone makes an action. This action can be a simple sign up, putting an email address, or simply downloading an application, or maybe clicking on the mouse, clicking on an ad, or even buying a product. So all these are actions you can get paid from with CPA marketing. Today we are going to focus on actions without selling, which is the best for beginners. And you can see the target revenue is $200 to $500. I'm not here to tell you are going to be rich after watching this video. No. Let's be honest. If you want to achieve this number in 30 days, you need to work hard, like 2-3 hours every single day. Understand everything. If you have questions, I will help you on the forum, in the comment section. Understand and take action, and you can achieve this goal. Otherwise, you can close this video and go somewhere else. So the next question in the concepts: can we do this on mobile? In short, yes, you can. But of course, some tasks will be a little bit harder because the screen is small. But if you don't have a choice, you can start with your mobile phone. Number 3, is it free to start? Yes, you can start for free, as you will see in this video. Number 4, how it works. Simply, we will pick an offer, we will promote it. This offer will be simple as putting an email address or signing up to an application or filling a form. We're not going to sell anything, and this is what makes it somehow simple, as I told you, for beginners. So these are the concepts that you need to understand before you start CPA marketing. Let's start now with step number 1, which is finding the right offers. Let's make things simple. How to find an offer? Simply, I will share with you some websites that will make things a lot easier for you. Number 1 is alldigger.com. Here you can search for offers, you can check network reviews and ratings to get the best legit offers. The next website is offervault.com. Here also you can filter by networks, by categories, by countries, whatever you want, and find offers and networks and everything in detail. Number 3 is Super Tools. You can find here top affiliate programs, and make sure to start with CPL programs, which pays per lead, like Sendinblue as an example. If you open Sendinblue, you will see it pays you for signing up new customers. Like Constant Contact, it will pay you $5 for each sign up without selling anything. If one signs up, you will get paid. Another one is SEMrush. You can get paid $10 for every lead. If someone signs up and enters the credit card, you can get $10, $0.01 for email, just email, and $200 if they pay for a subscription. A great option. Another way is to go to Google and search for CPL affiliate programs. Go and do some research and find something in your niche that you can promote. What do you mean by CPL? It's cost per lead. So when someone signs up, you will get paid. Another way is to go and join CPA networks like Max Bounty, like PerformCB.com, like AdmitAd, and other networks. We have a lot of networks. Now for beginners, you can start with CPA Lead or CPA Grip, which allows you to get accepted and approved easily in these networks, and start with these networks to get some experience and learn. Now, before we continue, I have very important note to tell you. When it comes to CPA and affiliate marketing, we have a lot, especially in CPA, a lot of fake offers, a lot of unethical offers, promoting maybe things related to pornography, maybe related to drugs, and sometimes it's just fake offers to collect and steal information from users. So be careful. Please take this as a real advice. And for me, I avoid any offers on those networks. To be on the safe side, I use real programs like SEMrush, like Constant Contact, like Sendinblue, or simply I search on Google and find a legit program. I test it, I ensure it works, nothing harmful to people, and then I promote it. One thing to take care of when finding an offer is the cookie duration. What is the cookie duration? Let me show you a real example to understand. If you go here to Super Tools again, you will will see I have here the cookie. It says 60 days, 3 days, 30 days, and so on. What this means, let's take an example. I will open Impact and log into my affiliate dashboard. Okay, so you can see here I have some clicks, some conversions. If you go here to brands, my brands that I am promoting, you'll find here constant contact, email lead $5. Let's see SEMrush. Here we are. It says 0.01 for registration, 10 for trial, and so on. Now, if we create a link, and we get this link. So this is our affiliate link here to promote SEMrush affiliate program or CPA program. When someone clicks on this link, he will open it in the browser. In the browser, if you go here to Chrome, for example, and go to application, you will see cookies for each website. This cookie will be saved the day the user opens the link, and it will be available for like 30 days, 60 days, and so on. So even if he signs up later, like after 20 days, you will get paid also. So also take care of the cookie duration. Pick a program that has at least 30 days or maybe 60 days cookie duration. Step number 2 is to build our money making machine. To set up our funnel or the web pages or the product that we want to promote. How to do this? We have mainly 5 strategies in CPA. Number 1 is content lockers. If you go back here to CPA lead or CPA grip, you'll find here content locker, URL locker. What this means simply is you can offer a free download to users, and if they want to get the download, the free download, they will complete an offer and you'll get paid when they complete it. It is that simple. The next strategy is to build a website around your offer. I will show you some examples in a little bit. The third method or strategy is building viral quizzes. This is one of the best methods to make people complete a CPA offer, like building a personality test. And if they want to get the result, they must complete an offer. Also, we can build review websites. A website reviewing some products and services and then mentioning your affiliate or CPA link. Or you can simply build direct landing pages around your offer, like in these examples, promoting a specific product and then promoting these pages, as you will see in a little bit in step number 3. Let's see now some examples of websites working with CPA marketing. I mean only CPA. Maybe you can get some ideas. You can see here nerdwallet.com. If you click on credit cards, it will give you an options for services that manages and deals with credit cards. If you click, it will give you this table here. You click on apply now, it will take you to a CPA page or affiliate landing page and so on. So this is a website that is built to promote service and products. Another one is Money Supermarket. Again, car insurance, loans, credit cards. You pick any of these services. For example, it will show you a brand and you need to continue the sign up, and in this way you are completing a CPA offer and so on. These are examples of websites that they are built to promote CPA. Another example, like in my case, like in Educate, if you open it, in my blog I write articles about different things. If you go here and search for SEMrush, you will see I have multiple articles and blog posts around SEMrush. How to get traffic with SEMrush. If you open this, you'll find a lot of links to SEMrush which are CPA or affiliate links and so on. You can have a website dedicated for a certain product or promote multiple products with review websites. That's enough. Let's move now to step number 3, which is the main step, promoting your product. To promote CPA products, mainly we have 3 strategies. Number 1 is paid ads and mainly native ads. Please memorize this, write it down. Native ads and mainly mobile push ads. We have a lot of native and push ads like Outbrain, like MGID, and many others that you can test if you have a budget to promote your products and landing pages. The next method, especially if you have a website, a blog, is SEO, search engine optimization. I have a full free course about it in the description below. You can check it if you want. Also, we have free methods to get traffic. I'll explain in a little bit. But before, I have an important point for you. You have to understand 2 things when it comes to CPA and affiliate marketing, which is tracking and A/B split testing. Whenever you run a campaign, especially in paid ad campaigns or promoting any product, use link shorteners and link trackers to track your work. And number 2, go with A/B split testing, which means test multiple landing pages. Now about free methods, I have a full free mastery course in the description below here on my channel to learn how to get free traffic to any web page you want. And now it's time for the bonus business. If you want to get my affiliate marketing cheat sheet, my programs, what I promote, and how I do it in detail, you can go now and check my full affiliate marketing course. Again, here on my channel. It's totally for free. Watch it right now. If you are serious to take action, watch the free courses and start from today. See you later.